Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, donuts, meat pie, spring rolls and samosa and all kinds of food drinks and fruit juices. Contact us with the information provided on your screen. Today we are preparing palm nut soup, locally called Aben nkwan. The ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe are 2 kilos of palm kernels, red pepper, turkey berries, salmon, dried fish, salt, smoked cow knee, partially fermented and dried salted fish, which is locally referred to as kako, crabs, beef, wele, ginger and garlic, and 2 red onions. Let's begin. Pour the palm kernels into a washing bowl and add some water to it. Now wash the palm kernels thoroughly with your hands and drain the water from it. Add some water to the palm kernels again and wash it for the second time. Now drain the water from it once again and add some water to the palm kernels in the washing bowl and wash it for the third time. After washing the palm kernels, collect them into a saucepan bigger enough to cook the palm kernels properly. Continue collecting the palm kernels in the water into the saucepan and pour some red pepper into another washing bowl and add half cup of water to it. Wash the pepper and put them on the palm kernels in the saucepan. Pour the turkey berries into the same washing bowl and wash them thoroughly. After washing the turkey berries, put them into the saucepan as well. Now put the saucepan on your source of heat and add water into it. And cook the palm kernels, red pepper and turkey berries for 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Check on it from time to time as it cooks. After the turkey berries, the red pepper and the palm kernels is cooked, pour it and the liquid used in its cooking into a washing bowl and set it aside. Now wash your palm nut mortar and its attached pestle with some water. Use a ladle to scoop some of the pepper, turkey berries and the palm nuts into the mortar and pound them with the pestle. With the aid of the ladle, collect the pounded pepper, turkey berries and palm nuts into the saucepan we used in cooking the palm nuts and the pepper. In another saucepan, add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil for about 10 minutes. In another washing bowl, wash the salmon, dried fish, smoked cow knee, crabs, kako, wele and the beef and put them in the saucepan to be used for the soup preparation. Blend 1 of the onions, ginger and 3 cloves of garlic with some water and pour it on the meat and fish in the saucepan and allow it cook for about 25 minutes. Take the hot water off the source of heat and this will be used to mix the pounded ingredients to help soften it, and that is how the palm nut extract will be obtained from the pounded ingredients. Pour the hot water into the pounded ingredients in the saucepan and use your hands to stir the hot water and the pounded ingredients together and squeeze the chaff from the mixture into the palm nut mortar. You can see visible huge strands of the palm nut in the mortar, and this means that we should pound it for the second time. At this point, pound the chaff from the first straining. Now pour the strained liquid in the saucepan into another saucepan through a colander. Hit the colander with your hands to make the straining process faster. As the liquid strains through the colander and is about finishing, stir the rest with your hands to help everything strain through the colander thoroughly. The palm kernel, pepper and turkey berries mixture is ready to be cooked. Our meat is also cooked. pour the soup mixture into the saucepan that's cooking the meat. You will notice that some of the liquid was left in the other saucepan. Therefore, you could either use a larger saucepan to cook the mixture once or add the remaining in the saucepan after it cooks and the water in the first one is drained a little bit. Now bring it to a boil for about 45 minutes. As the soup cooks, add in the other mixture you kept aside. I used a damp cloth to open the lid of the saucepan because if I had used a napkin, it will soak the palm nut soup on the other end of the saucepan, which will be difficult to get it out later. Now stir the soup and remove the dried fish from it to prevent it from tearing apart in the soup. Now set the dried fish you removed aside and add in the saucepan being used to cook the soup 2.5 tablespoons of salt. Stir the soup and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Our palm nut soup is ready. Serve this soup with either rice ball, fufu, banku, kenke, or plain rice for a special treat. I served mine with some fufu, and trust me when I tell you, it was amazing. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more spectacular videos and wholesome content. And kindly turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.